Okay, Chad, this video is for you. You wanted your you wanted your X Lite to be able to charge from the USB. So I got, let's see, oh, where is it? Is this it? Yeah, Full Speed RC has the charging module that you can get, and you install it inside your radio, and you're able to charge the 18500 batteries from the USB port. Well, that's what it's supposed to do anyway. Oh shit, I forgot I was gonna grab my little charger. Hold on just a second. Okay, so I need a cord. Okay, so we're gonna see if it will work from this power bank, because it's supposed to charge off of 5 volts. I mean, you could use your computer, you know, or you should be able to use a power bank. I have not tested this yet at all. I just got it back together, and I wanted to make sure I was on camera when I first try this out in case anything happens. I mean, it's not like I can, you know, this is like user's risk, or use at your own risk. I mean, if I put this in wrong and fry the radio, you know, that's on me. I'll have to buy you a new radio, but that would suck really bad. Maybe we could split it. Oh shit. Okay. I don't know what to do. Okay, I think first I'll just turn the radio on, make sure it still turns back on, and then next I will turn it off, and then I'll plug in the USB. And there's a little light. It comes with a little LED light, or a little bulb light. I don't know what it is, but I put it right next to the F port or S port plug. So you should be able to see the light. I think it's a blue LED that will shine through there if it's working. So I think I'll actually plug that in last. So first let's turn it on. Okay, here we go. Oh wait, shit. I don't have the batteries in. Oh, I'm a mess. I always start my videos before I'm ready. I need to work on that. Okay, here we go. Alright, looks like it's turning on.
Later! Jeez, you're easy to impress.
What the hell? That's kind of cool. Alright, so it does work. I noticed there's like a... I don't know if I push this down all the way or not. It looks like it's sticking up a tiny bit, but I don't know. It all clicked into place, so I'm not sure, but it feels solid. So okay, so I'm gonna plug this in. Goes just like that, and now we will see if we get a blue LED coming from the S port. Here we go. Oh, yes. Alright, you see the blue LED down there? Awesome. So it is charging. Apparently you're not able to turn it on while it's charging, but you can turn it on and then charge it. So that's kind of cool that you could take something like a power bank out in the field with you and you know, have your radio charging while you're flying. That would be pretty awesome. And you can do that now, so let's see, we'll turn it on.
Welcome to OpenTX.
It's at 7.4.
Jeez, you're easy to impress.
So let's plug it in, see if we get the blue light. Yep, blue light's on. You can see this thing popped up. I think it's supposed to be storage. Okay, there we go. And now it's at 7.6, so you know it's charging. We'll see if we can see it go up at least 1 point so we know for 100% sure. But, you know, we got the blue LED on. The radio's on. So let's just see here. It's at 7.6. I don't know how fast my power bank's going to charge it. I think it's on the fast one, 2.1. Yep, there we go, 7.7 now. That's so awesome. You should never have to take these batteries out ever again. And that's just really cool. I actually got one for my radio for my X9 Lite, and I didn't even want to get it. I got it on accident because when Chad first got a hold of me, I thought that's what he had was an X9 Lite, so I ordered this, and then right after that he told me it was an X Lite. So I guess now I have one for mine. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in or not, because the thing with mine is the X9 Lite, it has those 18650s in it. I swear, like, I use that radio a bunch lately, and the battery just doesn't drain. It's crazy. It just stays it stays forever. It's crazy. But anyway, I'm so glad that this works. That's awesome. I might have messed with your throttle a little bit. I made it seemed like it was a little bit too loose to me. Like if I would shake the radio up, the throttle would go up when I shook it, you know? So I just tightened it up a tiny bit. I like mine loose too, really loose, but I try to make it to where it won't move up when you shake the radio, but then it's still as loose as possible. So it seems good to me. Everything looks good to go. So I will get this box back up and sent out to you, and I will send you over some tracking. All right, thanks, Chad. Let me know if you have any questions.